Gonna make a lamb curry today. This is beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. You will not regret watching this video. Well, maybe you will, I don't know. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get moving on this one, shall we? So, lamb. I've got about 500 or 600 grams of lamb there. That's about a pound. Little bit of bone in there, little tiny bit of fat, which is great, but it's mostly beautiful, lovely cut of lamb there. 3 regular sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 onion, cut really small. Green chili, it's up to you how many you put in, and you can chop yours if you want. I'm going to put mine in just like that. Our powders. We've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 3 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder. In here I've got 4 black cardamoms. What I've done is I've just opened them out, just to sort of, so you can see the seeds in there. You don't want to put them in whole because that'd be a bit useless. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and a couple of inches of cinnamon stick there. And here I've got a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're going to be adding a few more little bits, but we'll do that as we get along. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? So I've got some hot oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a coconut oil or maybe like a mustard oil, that'd be really nice. Let's drop in our whole seeds. So we've got the black cardamom, the cinnamon and the cumin seeds. And just let them do their thing in this oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our meat. And you can see I've got some bones there, little rib bones, bigger bone, but mostly lovely meat. And on this high heat, we're going to go for about 4 minutes, just to seal and get the lamb a little head start. Beautiful, just a nice bit of colour on there. Next up, we're going to drop in our onion. I've cut my onion really small. And we're going to stay on this lively high heat. And again, we're going to go for another 4 minutes. I'm going to be moving it about pretty much all the time. Now, I've done it in this frying pan, just so you can kind of see it a bit clearer. But you can do this in a saucepan, no problem. And we're going to need a lid at some point as well. Fabulous. Next up, let's get a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to drop in my chilies, and like I said, I'm just putting mine in whole like that. Chop them if you want. And then 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We make this ourselves because we use so much of it. Which you could do if you want. You could make a small batch of it, or you can buy it pre-made in jars. Another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. We're now going to drop in our spices. So we've got 1 turmeric, 2 cumin, 3 chili powder, teaspoons that is. You could get some coriander powder in here if you wanted, but I like this little combo we're using today. Next up, we're going to go in with those fresh tomatoes. We want a nice ripe tomato, your ripest, juiciest tomato. We're going to cook this for 5 or 6 minutes now. We want those tomatoes to break down, and hopefully they'll give off some moisture. If not, we'll be adding some water, but let's see. We can't tell until the process takes place. So yeah, I'll be back in about 5 or 6 minutes, hopefully with some moisture in the pan. And look at that. Those tomatoes have cooked down really nicely, and we did get some moisture from that. We're going to need to add some more. So I'm just going to go with some water here. Now, very simply, I mean, you've done it now, it's done. Well done. What we're going to do is get a lid on this. You're going to get the heat down. Not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. Lid's going to go on. I'm going to come back in about 25 to 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. That time's going to ensure that that meat is super, super tender. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get that lid off there. It's been going for like half an hour now. And that is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Check it for salt. What we're going to do now, add a nice big pinch of garam masala powder. That's a nice kind of finishing powder. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Give that a mix. That is delicious. Let me get that on a plate. And there we have it. Absolutely delicious. Get your rice ready, or in my case, I'm going to have some naan bread. Super. Takes a little while to make, but really, really super delicious. I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.